killing spree.
She's got to learn how to walk,
Yeah, I've played this mission so many times.
I mean, you still can't snipe the zombies.
Because this one...
Fired.
Literally!
Don't leave me hanging, bro.
Keep trying to steal my dad jokes. Oh, you blew them up quite nicely though.
Oh!
It is a triple.
Oh, baby, a triple!
And that's actually the fastest way of killing them in that situation. Because how close they were. That attack is dirt. That attack is pure
No,
dirt.
it's the equivalent to Peach's that down A smash.
No, it's more powerful.
Yeah, it's like, yeah, Peach can do like up to 50 or 60% with that smash.
If you
If they get caught in the grind.
Yeah, but is that as powerful as Game & Watch Line flagging?
Oh, or Jigglypuff's down B.
If you land it.
Or Ganondorf's up tilt.
If you land it. Oh, we're going off lunch here.
Already then.
Move!
I look bullets. And Pete's saying not to use the gun when all they're giving is bullets. Pete, the rule with games is if you get given bullets, use them. Yeah! Check him out there. Swag!
I'm doing quite well with the button presses.
You say that now.
Yeah, he failed one of the.
But that's the thing though, like, those, it's really tricky, those benches. Those benches, you gotta actually be precise.
Not
like,
that
within
one, he failed a one before that. Okay. Oh, you can have that. I don't know what I'm gonna have. I might have, cereal or something.
In doing it like that way, you kill him faster, but you don't get rewarded any silver medals for it.
I don't really reckon so many are off of there anyway. The chickens count. No, no. Oh, that's a shame. And Romero is the best. Yeah.
I think I realised I'm using far too much of my
Heavy
power
attacks.
strikes to kill them, but I could just simply make them groggy.
That was the way the game intended you to play.
Yeah, you mix up the attacks. Check the fat guy.
Sumo wrestler! Oh great, more shooting. I know. Hello. Let's get that lollipop.
I know bullets.
Don't put you in there. It's going to free you from the system pack. And there's that.
Duck kill. Trick kill. Oh, for sure. Oh, loving shooting. Dodging down. Kill. The zombies are coming. Cool. Don't die, Shane. Dying is boring.
It's boring!
Hit.
The camera shakes more than bloody Cloverfield.
The gun ain't working. Is it?
Normally what I do...
Shoot the front door. Destruction.
I really hope your sister isn't dead.
Oh, that slowdown, man. You don't have enough.
And I'm just making sure.
What's the bet? You don't have enough.
480.
Ooh, sorry. Well. That pose, though. That pose, though.
Where art thou, Rosalind?
Where art thou? Destruction, destruction, destruction. So you can't get medals in the gun, do you?
You're dead. It's no longer your farm.
He also has sex with the chicken. You could use the Vader, you know. She's got penetrated. The sensitivity on that chainsaw blaster looks disgusting.
It's too high.
Is it on like 7 or 8 sensitivity?
And the thing that's annoying is that it all
Expand
locks
it,
on
you
to
can't
every
change
single
it.
target. You want to aim for that target, but it goes to that target instead. It's finicky. That's being a word. It's a bit suggestive though with that reticule for that
Yeah.
target. Uh-oh, Peter's gonna pretty much censor this stream
What?
because I'm killing animals.
There's a zombie on this,
So then they just like,
They're gonna get better.
look on the bright side, they're getting slaughtered. You know, if you were to just simply hit them 2 or 3 times, they'd end up doing a back kick on you. They fight back, literally. Right, there's the token here last
You
time.
don't need to be a better shot. You just need to shoot more bullets.
I like how the bus moved about a couple of inches
You
forward.
just need more bullets.
Bullet time! Yes, because slicing the bus is going to make it move.
Oh my word, that's really annoying.
You might have to put more than one shot into the rocks.
I kept shooting it and it just like, it didn't even destroy the brick with a stone, with a boulder.
I wish chainsaws could cut trees that fast.
They don't. You'd have more chance of damaging your chain blade.
That's the guy from Ratchet and Clank 2. It actually is though. The head's supposed to be on the back of the bus. Once you
And I'm just looking to see if there's any rounds.
Swag!
Middle, then right, then left. Oh, it's this one. So there's middle, left. then left, then the right one.
Get the middle one right, and then the rest of you are the end of the one.
It's been a long time since I've played this, so I'm trying to
You can
remember
already
it all.
tell what the Vox are though, because they're a different colour. Destruction. But why do they make the rock a different colour? Yeah, Nick.
She's saying about being racist against cows, yet she don't mind slaughtering them. Oh
No,
wait, that's
no,
over me.
And besides, when she says ride a cow, what does she mean?
Mmm.
Who's that?
And they're not even cows, they're zombies. Didn't even understand why licking a mushroom was there.
Head severing grenade.
It's actually fast, isn't it?
It's going berserk!
Smash it, might as well. Destruction. Mushroom, kill a mushroom. Legs.
Mushroom, mushroom, badger, 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 badger. Oh.
GG!
Right, I'll have to pause this.
Unscheduled break. Oh, dude.
Lots of symbolic stuff.
She's on the drugs, man.
Can't do that.
She's on the wacky. Look at her.
It's Manta Hand, a crazy hand.
Juliet. Oh man. Like some weird giant egg.
Uh-oh.
This calls for tattoo chicken. Right, recess.
How to cook zombies. How'd you cook zombies?
You use your chainsaw.
That's not how you cook it, that's how you prepare it for cooking. Right. 60 platinums to go. Juliet stash, more not than that.
Oh god.
What?
Nothing. I'm just like thinking about the potential thing about if I can ever do the gondola sequence.
No!
No.
But I'm not doing it now.
Sorry.
Don't worry, I'm not starving you.
I didn't even fucking say anything.
I was joking. I was trying to make you fucking smile. Fucking hell. Have a smile on your face.
I don't know why you fucking said it, yeah. Say with that fucking attitude.
Talk about biting the head
Bite
off.
my fucking head off, Jesus. That's clearly gonna make someone smile.
Yeah.
If you could swap those metal turtles around, that'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Yes, the little tail. The little fluffy tail.
Freedom, freedom, freedom. Oi!
Yeah, look at these. I'm still missing on this account. Apparently, I'm 57% completing the bosses and enemies.
We haven't killed Carney Zombie.
Baba. Baba.